सो आयच्या ह्या Swa-Mini कार्यावळीन आमी शिकतली Amigurumi. येस, आय एम ऑल्सो न्यू टू दिस टर्म, पण आमची ही मदत करपा खातीर आमच्या बरोबर Swa-Mini आसा अपर्णा पाटील. Hi Aparna, welcome to our series. First of all, we share a common name, I would like to say. And we know you for Amigurumi, so just tell us what it is.
Amigurumi is basically a Japanese form of crochet. It generally means doll making.
So how did you come up with this concept? Because of wool, we are usually like toran, then tablecloth, अशें वळखतात. So how did you come up with this thought?
Actually, I started crocheting only in the last 10 years. Before that, I was working for a long time. And my mother always wanted me to learn crochet. So basically, after she passed away, I decided, maybe I should actually learn crochet because it was her wish for me to learn. A self-taught process of looking at those videos and learning. I taught myself to make these toys. So that was how it actually began. It was not nothing planned. It was just something that just happened over a period of time, and I started making these toys.
Aparna, I can see a goddess also here.
Ambabai.
Ambabai, Kolhapurchi Ambabai. And this also I have seen Sai Baba made by you, which is of woolen. So what is the response that you have been getting from Goan market?
Well, the response is very good. Everybody is very appreciative of the handmade stuff because people are really, done with all these China-made stuff, and especially most of these toys are very unsafe for like little children.
You must have been upgrading your skills, going and flowing with the market demands. So how did you match with the demands of the people?
Demands of the people, see, handmade market is very different compared to the other stuff that you get in the market, which is, you can say, factory made stuff. So basically it's just upgrading to do with probably like in toys. A lot of children, they watch cartoons. So probably sometimes there's a trend, maybe, in between there was of these Sonic toys. So kids suddenly wanted Sonic toys. And then, what happens is, for me, I don't have kids in the house, so I don't know what is a Sonic toy. So when a parent calls me and they say, I want this, my kid wants a Sonic toy, and then they are not really available in Indian markets. Like, you search them online. I've had people who've actually come from like all over, from Bicholim and all. This lady who wanted it for her son for his birthday. And she happened to see that I had made that set for somebody else, and she was like, can you make this for me, and I need this. And so basically upgrading for me is just learning what's new in the market and then adapting it to making that toy. Like
you are rocking on social media, I must say, with your toys. So what is the future plans?
Future plans, I don't know, maybe someday if I can, maybe have a small store of my own. And that's I don't want to like really think too big, maybe just take one step at a time. So yeah, something like that.
There are many young girls and women who are waiting for the right opportunity to start with. I'm sure there must be almost second house is having one woman who knows crochet, especially in Goa. Any message to this kind of women to move ahead and to grow?
I think there is a lot of market, and if you have a talent, like something that you're good at, a handmade thing or something, I think everybody can, in some way, I think everybody can make some sort of a business, or like a what you call these, these are probably a small scale business which you run from your own house. I think everybody can do that.
Another question I had, that this wool is particular kind of wool or the normal wool which is available?
Acrylic wool, a normal cotton wool that's available in the market.
Okay, and the stuffing and all inside?
The stuffing is polyfill stuffing, what we use for for the normal soft toys. That's the stuffing.
Aparna, you have been doing this business now for quite a long time. So it is always said that you should share the knowledge, you should share the skills. So do you have any plans, or do you conduct any workshop or classes for children?
I had actually in the past conducted a few workshops, and I had taken classes as well. But then yes, I'm like, you know, I mean, if anybody approaches me and they want to learn crochet, I'm more than happy to teach them.
सो ही आशिल्ली आमच्या बरोबर एक स्वामिनी अपर्णा पाटील. तिणें आमकां वुलनाचे अशे क्यूटशे टॉयज करपाक दाखयल्ले आसा. साहिल मांद्रेकरा बरोबर अपर्णा बडिगर, प्रुडंटा खातीर.